Good morning, friends. Today we'll discuss company accounts group 2 intermediate. Topic is redemption of preference shares. Redemption of preference shares. The first questions, what is redemptions? Redemptions means the payment or paying back to the preference shareholders. After maturity or on maturity, we will make payment to the preference shareholders. The act of repayment is called redemptions. Now clear? There are some conditions for repayment. First of all, preference shares must be fully called up and paid up. Clear? The fully called up and paid up. Number 2, premium payable on redemptions should be provided only out of premium account or PL account. Premium or PL, not from other sources. Clear? Can also use general reserves as a substitute of PL account. Number 2, third number, redemptions, sources of redemptions. There are two sources, just two sources. Number 1, issue of shares. Number 2, reserves and surplus. Issue of shares. New shares is issued and proceeds of that issues of equity shares can be utilized for repayment of preference shares. Here, the balance not covered from the issue of shares have to be taken from reserves and surplus. Reserves and surplus is balancing figure. It means what? If 10 lakhs is to be redeemed, issue is nil. The 10 lakhs I will take from reserve and surplus. If I take 4 lakhs from issue of shares, I will take 6 lakhs from reserve and surplus. Here, the reserve surplus means what? It includes general reserves, PL account and all revenue reserves only, not capital profits, not capital reserves. Here, fourth point is that redemptions made out of reserve and surplus has to be transferred to capital redemption reserve account. This is known as CRR, capital redemption reserve account. So, friends, 4 points is very much clear. This 4 point is very much clear. Fully paid up. Number 1, premium is out of premium itself or PL or general reserves. Number 2, third point is redemptions out of issue of shares or out of reserve and surplus. Clear? And redemptions out of reserve and surplus has to be transferred to CRR account. So this is clear. Now I will only tell more 6 entries, just 6 entries. Remember, right now remember with me only. There are some entries, 6 entries, only 6 entries. So let's start. First entry, we need cash, liquidity is needed, so we can sell our assets or investments. Okay, the first entry is sale of assets or investments. The bank account debited, loss on sale account debited to assets oblique investments account to PL account if profit is there. Simple entry for sale of assets or investments is met. Number 1 is clear. Number 2, we might issue shares. The issue of shares entry will be passed. Bank account debited to share capital. Clear? Simple entries. Premium if there, premium will be credited. That's all. Now 2 entries are done. Now 4 entries are there. Now third entry is regarding premium payable on redemptions. The premium payable redemptions we have to provide it from premium account or PL account or reserves account. The sources will be debited. That is premium account debited or PL account debited or general reserve account debited to premium payable on redemption account. Simply I am creating a liability, funds taken from some sources, that is transferred to a liability account. Clear? Third is over. Fourth entry, reserves and surplus utilized for redemptions has to be transferred to capital redemption reserve account. Again 7 entries, sources will be debited, that is PL account, general reserves, other revenue reserves to CRR account, to capital redemption reserve account. Fourth is clear? Very much clear, because it is an entry for transfer to CRR from the sources. Sources are debited to CRR account. Fourth is clear. Now do fifth entry. Fifth entry, transfer of preferences capital and premium payable on redemption to preference holders account. Holders account means what? Now we are going to create a liability. We are going to create a payable account. So entry will be preferential capital account debit, amount to be paid, and premium on redemption account debited to preferential holders account. So this account will show total amount need to pay off on redemptions. Final entry has come, that is payment of preferential holders, payment to preferential holders, preferential holders account debit to bank account. So all entries are done. Clear? Thank you for watching this. Goodbye.